Kalispera. On behalf of Hermes Airports, I welcome you to Limassol in Cyprus.
So we need to change aviation, but we need to change tourism, for instance, what Cyprus does. And everybody is doing it. So the adaptation factors will be triggering the next growth. So
I always struggle with this idea that we're in the same industry. I don't think we are. You know, the airline industry is very different to the airport industry. We're labeled under aviation, but you know, we've got different priorities, different challenges, different opportunities, and trying to collaborate is always a challenge.
The purpose of the business, connecting people all across Europe.
Well, having to compete with these two guys in every route we fly, we have no other option but to be extremely efficient, because we compete on price with Ryanair to the left and EasyJet to the right.
And now for the winner in this category. This airport was praised for presenting a cultural change program that involved a long-term plan with different steps in many areas, with clear KPIs and showing clear evidence of results.
And I am very pleased to announce that the winner is Hermes Airports.
Το ποτάμι είναι κόκκινο, το φεγγάρι είναι βαθύ κι η αγάπη μου στα χέρια σου είναι κατασπρόπουλη κι η αγάπη μου στα χέρια σου είναι κατασπρόπουλη.
Every place I go, I'll think of you. Every song I sing, I'll sing for you. When I come back, I'll bring your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you wait for me. Hold me like you never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh baby, I had to go.